this function, okay, data extension count. So here also, if I simply say now subscriber master, okay, subscriber master details. Okay, so subscriber master. So you have a subscriber base, and you have to see how many records are there, right? So it is giving you the count. Okay, so this will return you the number of rows in the data extension. Okay, so if the data extension contain 31 rows, is going to print 31. Oh, let me open and close so it becomes clear to everyone. So it will return the number of rows in the data extension. There is no filter applied, nothing.
Yeah.
This significance you'll come to know later when we are discussing claim order row. Let's move ahead. So this one is done. We'll not go here. Okay. I'll try to explain if I get a time for this one. Today focus is more on the lookup.
Shashi, I have a question. I mean, you mentioned about data extension row count. There's another function similar to this, which is row count. So what are the differences between these two?
Row count.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come to that. Okay. We'll try to come to that. Yeah, this is a good question, but I'll explain that as well. But let's go slow, so that everybody understands what I'm saying.
Sure.
Now, even if you're coming to my blog, okay, so if you just click on this link, okay, anything related to AMPscript, it will be filtered, or the blocks. Okay, if you say data extension, it will filter all the data extension related from blocks. You also have here in the labels, you can click on the labels, okay, like data extension, then it will give this. So okay, let's go back to the lookup. So in the lookup, what I did was I created a data extension called products, because last session we were discussing products. So I created a data extension where product ID is the primary key. Okay, we have the product name, product description, price, which is basically here. I didn't say the I don't know what is the length. It is 8.2. Okay, so the precision is 8.2. Packaging date is a date. In stock is true or false. Okay, currency is the local. Season is winter, summer, and gender male, female. This is the data extension when I created for product. Now, I stored this just to give an example. Okay, so I created products like 1, 2, 3, 4 something. Okay, and I said the product name is white hoodie, black hoodie, white hoodie. This one is for men, this one is for women. Okay, and other things for kid. So gender-wise, kid, I took it both of them as kids. Okay, and I created a packaging date. I assigned the values. Okay, and the currency is like EN, US, FR, France. Okay, EN, India, and the season is winter and summer. And this is what is required for your ordinals. Okay, what is required when you're doing a lookup? So you require the data extension name. Okay, you require the name of the column from where the value has to be returned, and from 3 and 4 is like key value pair for a lookup that is using a filter. Right? I want to look up data extension called products. Okay, I want to get the product name where the gender is male, right? So all the main products will be displayed. Okay, so you can use attribute value to get it from a sendable data extension. You can use this personalization string underscore subscriber key. Okay, if this is already in all subscriber, then this will work. Okay, it is for all subscriber if it is present already tagged to all subscriber. Okay, this is another personalization that can be used. So first it will go to the all subscriber, okay, to validate if this particular subscriber key is present. and then it will assign that email address from the subscriber, all subscriber. If it's not present, okay, this will be basically, it might land you to errors also if it is not in all subscriber, right? So it's better use attribute value. Mm. And from the sendable data extension, you assign the subscriber key to be in a safe place. This is the best practice, right? So I hard code it. You can use it attribute value for season, first name, and last name as well. Mm. For basic intent of using the personalization functions, I used differentiated using first name and last name. Okay, and I also brought this for which product. Okay, I want to display. So here I said I want to bring the first product, that is product ID 1, and I'm doing a lookup. Okay, lookup to the products, fetch the value for product name where product ID is 1. Okay, so for other descriptions, for other attributes, I have this. See, from line number 14 to line number 8. Okay, I have written how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And each line will give you that particular attribute value. So this one is product name. This one is product description. Okay? This one is product price. This one is packaging date. Okay. This one is to see whether that particular product is in stock or is out of stock. This is the currency. How you basically, I think in the group also somebody was asking if how should I add dollar and those things, right? And there's a gender. Okay. So I fetched all the details that are required. Now you see, when I'm talking about the functions last session, I've tried to utilize most of the functions here. This is what I was expecting. Okay, this is what I was expecting. So this first function, I'm using concat. Okay, I'm saying hello, first name, space, last name, and comma. So this is what is giving here. If I print this value is hello, okay, space Sasi, because see, I use the space in the here in the string. Okay, hello and space. Hello, Sasi. Then there will be space and say Prasad. Okay, and then comma. So this is how it is going to print, right? So if I have to print this, let's say I'll take this one and say the output. So this saying is hello, Sasi Prasad. Okay. Now second one, this is a paragraph. Okay. Then this will be written in the paragraph saying we are writing this email, blah blah blah. Okay. So we are launching our new products. Okay. And I've assigned a div with a bold tag. Okay. So this will be written in a bold format, and it will going to take this out. In the next line, it is going to print you product details. Okay. Here is an empty line, so it will go to the next line, and this is bold. Okay, so now it goes to name. This is bold, and you have a colon. Okay, this colon, and here I'm saying product name in uppercase. So let's say 2D. So this is uppercase, so it's going to say white 2D. Okay. And now the second line, it will be description. Okay. Here in the description, this is also bold. Okay, written in bold later. Yeah, I don't know. I can make it bold. So it will use the proper case for product description. So it will say, let's say white hoodie for men. So proper case means white hoodie. First letter will be capitalized, and this is how it will be written. Okay, your proper case. Now for price, and here I have used format currency, get the price. Okay, so the product currency for this lookup, I have to go back to the table. let's say what my table was for the first ID. It was EN US. Okay, the price is 56 Y2D, right? Y2D 56 EN US. You can see this, right? See this table. Okay, so here it will be printed as dollar 56.00 up to 2 precisions. This is how it will be displayed when I'm using format currency. Okay, are you clear till this point?
Yeah.
You have 3 precisions.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe it will be written 00. Okay, if you have in the value. Now this price, now this is the packaging date. See, I have used all the functions that we were discussing. This is what I was expecting. Okay, so format date, I'm using product day packaging date. So packaging date is 11th, uh, you know, 1st November 2022. Okay, and I'm said MMDDYYY, right? This will be written as 1st November 2022. This is how it will be printed. Okay. And in stock, right? Here I didn't modify anything. It will be only true or false. This can be streamlined. So say it will say true, but rather than true, I could have used if else function here. Okay, if it's true, then I'll print in stock or available instead of writing true. But currently it will only print true, but it can be made available or not available. Okay. So this can be modified. And here trim, I simply just to utilize the trim function, I say gender. So gender, this will be men. So if this I haven't used proper case, if it is written whatever, like I've written here, what is the gender? Okay, I'm doing from the so product here men. Okay, so this is in the proper case, no problem. But if it is written whatever, either it will print, it is not using. So if you whatever you have there in the data extension, it is going to print. So this is will be the output. Hope you understand. Okay. Is everybody clear till now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So see, maximum use of the personalization functions, uppercase, proper case, format currency, format date, lowercase. Oh, this is in product. Okay, in stock. So this is in stock. It will be in lowercase. Everything is like this way. And this stream, if there is any spaces, it will eliminate the spaces from the front and the end and the, so all the white spaces will be trimmed and it will be shown here. So